In this example, we're going to factor this algebraic expression by grouping, but before we do so, we're going to look to see if there's any greatest common factors that we can divide out of all four terms. And it looks like between 45, 63, 120, and 168, it looks like I can factor a 3 out, and I think that's probably the biggest number. And A, they all have an A, and the smallest is just the one A there. And so that looks like 3A is going to be the greatest common factor between those four terms. So when I divide a 3A out of all of those terms, I'm left with 15AB plus 21AM minus 40MB minus 56M squared. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do grouping now, and I'll group the first two and the last two together. So my 3A, which was my greatest common factor, will come along for the ride. And between 15 and 21, it looks like I can pull a 3 out, and AB and AM looks like another 3A. So 5B plus 7M. And then this leads with a negative, so I'll pull a negative out. And between 40 and 56, it looks like 8, because 40 is 5 times 8, and 56 is 7 times 8. And they both have M's. So when I do that, it looks like I'll have 5B, and since I pulled this negative out, this will go to positive, and then 7M. And here we see that my leftovers are the same. So 3A was my greatest common factor from here, and then 5B plus 7M I can pull out of here and here. And then my other terms will be 3A and then minus 8M. So here is the fully factored expression for my original algebraic expression. And I factored it using the greatest common factor first and then grouping.